Hey everyone, I just wanted to get started today by talking about today's Earth Day activity and also why that's happening. Today is Group B's day in school on Friday. And because of that, we are trying to get our STAR test done. But as you know, I can't STAR test everybody at the same time because we're not supposed to STAR test when we're at home, when we're hybrid students. So I have to split the days. And yesterday was Earth Day. And a lot of the third grade classes were doing an Earth Day activity. Because of our internet issues, we did not do our Earth Day activities yesterday because we were catching up on some things. Today, for you guys at home, you're working on the Earth Day activity. So I'm going to have you click on this. You guys are the only ones that can see this, Group A. So then Group B will see it the other days. Group B only sees STAR test today. So when you guys are in school, you'll see STAR test, and when Group B, you guys are at home, you'll see Earth Day because we're going to switch off. So we will have our STAR test next week, Group A, and Group B, we're doing our STAR test today for ELA, which also means that we're going to be doing our math STAR test next week. So get prepared for that. So you're going to click on the Earth Day article and activities. And once you click on that, you're going to see that there's some activities to complete for Earth Day today. And that's what we're going to be focused on this morning is what to do on those activity sheets. They're pretty self-explanatory. So that means like you could pretty much look at them and know exactly what to do, but I don't want to leave you hanging either. Uh, Being that it's Friday, you do have your spelling test and your grammar quiz today, but if you're watching this next week, then you wouldn't have that because Group B is going to be watching this next week, possibly. Wow. Well, this internet seems to have continued being slow. Or it's my computer. I don't know. All right, here we go. We're back. All right, so you can see that the beginning of this is talking about Earth Day, and it tells us what Earth Day is. So as you go through this, you might want to zoom in. So you click on this zoom button here, and then you can click on just a size difference. If you don't see this zoom button, you can click View and go to Zoom, and then you can change your zoom to, let's say, 100%. And as you can see, at 100%, it's big enough to read. So Earth is our home, and it's important that we take care of it. Every year on April 22nd, which was yesterday or Thursday, people all over the globe celebrate Earth Day. Earth Day is a holiday about caring for our planet. People celebrate Earth Day in different ways. They teach others about what is hurting our planet and ways to take care of it. Many people spend the day doing projects that help Earth. Others even use their time to try to pass laws that will help protect the planet. The first Earth Day was on April 22nd, 1970. A senator named Gaylord Nelson organized a nationwide event. This event helped make people aware of the issues the environment was facing and ways to take better care of it. Over 20 million people in the United States participated in this event. It was a huge success in helping people understand the importance of taking care of the planet. It also helped pass laws to protect Earth. Now, over 190 countries around the world participate in Earth Day. Before 1970, there weren't many laws that protected our planet. Pollution was a huge problem. People dumped waste into rivers, lakes, and oceans. Cars, trucks, and factories filled the air with harmful smoke. Another big issue was deforestation. This is the clearing of forests. Too many forests were being chopped down, which led to habitat loss. Animals and other species lost their homes and quickly became endangered. We now have laws to keep our air clean, limit pollution, and protect our forests and wildlife. It is important that we continue to learn to protect our planet Earth. There are several things you can do to help. You can spend the day picking up trash, cleaning parks, planting trees, and even educating others about how important it is to care for our planet. Will you participate in Earth Day this year? So, this weekend, it's the beginning of spring. Can you go outside and pick up some sticks? Can you find some trash maybe that people have thrown out of their cars and maybe is in your yard? Could you go and clean up your yard and make sure that you don't have any toys that have broken and they're becoming trash as part of your backyard or your front yard areas? Is there a place in your house or your area that you could plant something, maybe a tree or plant some garden area? So think about what you could plant in your area to help the earth. So that brings us to these questions. So we've read, now you're going to respond. Why is Earth Day important? Oh, there you go. I have some answers listed here. That doesn't help. There you go. Looks like the only one you have to answer is number 4. Explain at least one way you will participate in Earth Day this year. There you go. Free answers. When you come down here, you're going to see that we have, I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit for this. So fit. There's a circle over here that will allow you to drag it over when you find a word. And let's say the word is vertical. You just drag that bottom box to change the shape of the circle. And you can see how you can change the shape of the circle and circle any word you want. After you do that, you can take the X and you can move the X over the word that you found. That's the word search. Next, Earth Day riddle. Can you figure it out? So we have letters that match numbers. So 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 is I. So you would put I on this box. And you keep going. And you'll figure out, how can you tell if an ocean is friendly? It's a riddle. Here's another one. And once you're finished with that, you're finished with your Earth Day activities and ELA. Make sure you do your grammar and your spelling. You have your grammar quiz and your spelling test if you're watching this on Friday. And if not, you're watching it on a day where you have regular grammar or spelling. So make sure you get that done. And then you're finished with ELA for the day. Talk to you later. Bye.